Michi, what's up? For today's video guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay lying challenge. So bago ulit magsimula ang video na to, don't forget to subscribe,
Like and share.
and click the notification bell. Ito po yung rule. Kapag tama po silang dalawang tama po silang dalawa, uulit po sila. Kapag pag may mali naman na isa, tapos yung isang nanalo ay siya na yung mapupunta sa semifinals. So, ito pa guys. Kapag di ginawa yung pinapagawa nung isa, talo na siya kagad. So, let's start guys.
First round.
Sila ang first guys. Go!
So,
Ano kaya? Oops. Okay. Walang lagay mo dito sa pots. Like, gan. Ayan. Alawa. Oh. So, go.
hinga, pag wallet nga yan, open mo nga yung zipper.
Okay.
Yan. Okay. Got it.
Oh, next.
Kung ballpen nga yan, parang
I-drop?
i-drop mo.
I-drop mo.
I-drop mo siya.
Like, huwag masyado mataas. Like, mababa lang.
Ito ang guys na tawa. Ikaw na kas. Okay.
Your turn.
Ganyan, pag wallet yan, hampasin mo nga. Ano? Hampasin mo nga. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay na ako. Okay.
Okay.
Worst. Ako muna first. I think naglalay ka. What? Naglalay ka.
Your last
I think you're telling the truth. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Tama si
Tay.
Cassie.
Is tay.
And
Tay.
then, tama si Beam.
Woohoo.
So, tie. It's a tie. So, ulit. Round 2.
Round 2. Akin ay lip bump. Akin ay pulbo. Okay, pulbo. Okay. Ikaw na first, Kas.
Ay, tayo niyo muna. Okay.
Sige. Pag lip balm nga yan, ilagay mo sa labi mo.
Okay.
Okay. Okay na?
Wait lang din.
Yan, wala pa.
Okay, lalagyan. Okay na, done.
Kung pulbo nga yan, ilagay mo sa mukha mo. Okay.
Okay, nalagay na.
Nine. Oh, ikaw na. Okay. Pag lip balm nga yan, ihulog mo nga. Okay. Kung pulbo nga yan, ihulog mo rin. Okay. Pero lang, ikaw na kas. Okay nga. Okay. Kaya nga, pag lip balm nga yan, i-ASMR mo.
ASMR. Yeah.
Okay. Ba't di ko marinig?
One more. Okay.
Okay na. Okay. Kung pulbo nga yan, itap mo sa kahoy. Okay na ako.
Okay.
Ikaw, wait lang,
What's your final answer?
Ikaw. Hindi, ikaw okay ka na.
Are you done?
Okay.
So, ikaw ka mauna. Anong sagot mo? Ano?
Chew.
Okay, first.
Akin siya lie.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. It's a tie. Ay naman.
Round 3. Ang akin ay fourth. Akin ay Rexona. Oh, ikaw na kas. Kaya nga, pag, ano ulit yan? Fork. Yan, ihulog mo nga. Okay. Narinig ko na. Okay. Ikaw. Kung Rexona nga yan, itap mo din. Okay. Saan? Sa dyan, kahit saan. Sa kamay ko, ha? Kahit, hindi sa kamay. Tap mo sa ano mga. Hindi sa kamay. Ikaw na? Okay. Pag fork nga yan, itap mo nga gamit fingers mo. Finger. Okay. Di, parang ganito. Huh? Okay. I'm sure. Okay. Kung ano nga yan, Rexona, ilagay mo sa kilikili mo. Oo, ito. Ilagay niya? Dalawa, isa. Dalawang kamay. Isa, tas isa. Uy, okay. Okay. Okay na, Kas? Okay na. I think, nagsasabi ka ng totoo. I think nagsasabi ka din ng totoo. 3, 2, 1, go. Talo siya.
Tapos bago ulit kami maglalaban ni ate. Kasi po si Binay pasok na semifinal. Kung sino manalo po sa amin dalawa, ay ang lalabanan namin ni Binay. So,
First item, I have a lotion.
akin ay perfume.
Okay. You have a perfume. Can you spray the perfume? I wanna hear it. Like, coming from here. Coming from here. Like, spray over here so I can smell the...
Sa kanya. Spray.
Okay na?
More.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Your turn.
Ano pala? Ano ulit yan?
I have a lotion.
Kung lotion nga yan, ilagay mo sa skin mo.
Okay. It's not for the skin. It's for the hands.
Okay na yun. Lagay mo sa hands mo.
Okay.
May sipon pa naman ako. Di ko maamoy. Ay. Okay na?
I'm done.
O, yun na.
Okay. That's a perfume. Glass or plastic?
Plastic.
Okay. Can you drop it? Okay. Your turn.
Kung lotion nga yan, ihulog mo. Okay, next.
Okay.
Can you please Tagalog?
Okay. Sorry. Can you tap it? Like, can you
Gamit yung daliri.
with your hands?
Okay.
One more. Okay. Okay, one more question for me.
Kung lotion talaga yan, ipalo mo sa kahoy dyan, sa cabinet na yan. Isa pa. So,
Okay, I have a
sige, go.
I think he's lying.
I think,
Wait.
ano?
Yeah, I think he's lying
Sige.
because of the...
Ako, sa tingin ko, nagsasabi siya ng totoo.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Oh, tama ako.
It's tie.
Tay.
Okay.
Tay.
Second
Second
item.
round.
So,
So, akin ay book o libro.
I have What do you call this? I have a lotion again.
Okay. Kung lotion yan, iano mo sa kamay mo.
Okay.
Sabihin niyo okay na.
Can you hear it?
Hindi.
One more?
Hindi na. Oo na.
What's that again?
Libro.
Libro. Can you
New Japanese book.
flip the pages?
Buksan?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Your turn to ask.
Kung lotion yan, gano'n na mo ngayon sa kamay.
What?
Gano'n na.
Okay.
Wait lang, di ko maninig. Isa pa. The sounds. Ikaw na.
Okay. It's a book, right?
Yes.
Nihongo. Nihongo.
Ano niyanggo?
The book. Japanese.
Oh, ano.
Can you drop it? One more? Okay. It seems kind of weird.
Ako na.
Okay.
Ano, ibagsak mo.
Okay.
Nabagsak mo na?
Not yet. Okay. Okay.
Oo nga, ikaw na.
Book, right?
Yes.
Can you tap it with your fingers?
Okay.
One more again. Okay. Your turn to ask.
Ako, okay na ako.
Okay.
Okay
I'm
na ako.
not okay. Wait. One more. Can you drop it sa sa may kahoy dyan?
Okay.
Not saan. Okay. Okay, I have an answer. He's telling the truth.
She's telling the... Ano ba? Ano
What is
kaya?
it?
Naglalaying siya.
Okay.
She's telling lying.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Okay sila guys. So, next round.
So, I have a stick.
I have alcohol spray.
Alcohol spray. Can you spray it?
Of course.
Okay. Your turn to ask.
Okay. What's that again?
Stick.
Stick. Can you drop it?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's perfect.
That's the alcohol spray, right?
Yes.
Can you drop it?
Drop it. Okay, no spray.
Okay. Your turn to ask.
Okay. If that's a stick, can you tap it on your cabinet on your side? I'm sorry.
Cabinet.
Yes.
One more.
One more. Yes, one more.
Okay.
Okay.
Tuloy na.
Your turn to ask.
Okay. Next is, if that's a stick, can you ASMR? Like ASMR?
Tap it.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, is that a big stick or small stick?
It's a big stick.
Oh, okay. Your turn.
Okay. Alcohol spray, right?
Yes, but
Can you tap it with your fingers? One more. Okay. I have an answer already.
okay, I have an answer too.
Ano?
I think she's telling the truth.
I think
That's
she's telling the truth.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ayun guys. talo si Kasi dahil chopstick yung hairstyle, hindi stick lang.
It's not a stick.
Chopstick.
Bamboo stick. Like, barbecue stick. Like that.
Okay.
It's a chopstick.
Si Kylie na ang pasok sa round. Final.
Okay.
Kaya next naman kami ni Kim.
So guys, kami yung finals.
Laban.
Finals
Kami naman
kami.
yung nanalo kanina.
Round 1. Round
Kung sino
1.
manalo sa amin, pasok namin sa final, kakalabanin na si
Semifinals.
Kylie.
Game guys.
So, game. Round 1.
Akin ay Dal.
Akin, akin lotion.
Okay. Go first.
Ikaw.
Go na.
Ikaw, dal yan, dal.
Yes.
Bagsak mo nga. Kung dal yan. Isa pa. Okay, ikaw na. Go.
Ano yan, lotion.
Yes.
Ilagay mo nga sa katawan mo.
Okay, game.
It's a, hand cream. Kamay.
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 Katawan, sabi ko katawan.
Kamay ah.
Katawan.
Katawan? Pwede bang kamay na lang ng buo?
Katawan.
Katawan? Hindi, yung ganito na. Kamay na lang.
Katawan nga.
Hindi naman pang katawan.
Katawan nga eh.
Hand cream.
Hand cream. Hindi siya kamay.
Okay. Wait lang.
Ulit.
Okay na.
Kaya na daw. Okay.
Okay, ikaw na.
Kung mani ka nga yan, igano mo ng kamay.
What?
Ganon mo yung kamay, ganyan yan. Ginagawa ni Gas. Isa pa. O, ikaw na. Okay na. Ikaw na.
Okay. Kung lotion nga yan, i-drop mo.
Okay. Oh. Gusto mo sa kahoy?
Ulit.
Gusto mo sa kahoy?
Ay, wait lang. Ano ka na yun?
Oh.
Wait lang.
Lotion.
Looks,
Ano?
game, okay na ako?
Okay ka na?
Yes.
Oh, sige. 3.
I
Ay,
think
lang, ano?
you lie.
I think you lie. Oh,
3, 2, 1,
go.
That's
Toothpaste.
a toothpaste and then that's a
Dal.
Ano?
plastic.
Panalo si Bim.
Guys, ako yung nanalo.
So, sila na guys yung final.
Okay, this is the
Semifinals.
last. Okay.
So, we have,
First item.
paper star.
Okay. I have a stick.
Stick, okay.
Okay. What's that again? Paper star.
Yes.
Can you crumb?
Ano?
Okay.
Ano? Ha?
Ano?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Your turn to ask.
Ano yun dyan?
It's a stick.
Okay. Kung stick nyo yun, itap mo sa kahoy.
Done.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Return.
Whose turn?
Ikaw.
Okay. What's that paper star?
Yes. Oo.
Can you rip the paper?
Open.
Rip the paper.
Okay.
Ulit.
Wait. Okay. Your turn to ask.
Okay. Di ba stick yan? No. baksak mo siya. Okay. Okay. Ulit. Ulit. Oh my God. I think... Okay, okay. Ikaw na, Tori. Ikaw na.
Paper star, right?
Yes.
Can you eat the paper?
Eat.
Yes. Eat. Go ahead. Eat.
Eat.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. One more question. Your turn to ask.
Stick yan. I-roll mo nga siya. I-roll sa baba.
Okay.
Ulit, ulit. Ulit. One more. Okay, okay. Okay. Ikaw naman.
Paper star. Can you rip all the paper?
Ulitin ko na.
Lahat?
Yes.
Sure ka, ha? Baka magalit.
Why are you saying sure? If
Okay, 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 okay.
okay, I'm done. I have an answer already.
I think she is lying.
I think he's telling the truth.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
So guys, tayo sila sa round 2.
So what do you have? What's that?
A ring.
A ring.
Yes.
Oh, I have glasses. My white glasses. Okay.
White glasses. White. Parang clear. Clear.
There.
Okay.
Do you, I know
Go
you,
first. Ikaw na.
what's that? A ring?
Yes.
Can you drop it?
Rig mo.
No. I didn't hear it. One more time. Again.
Lang.
Did you drop it?
Oo.
Yes.
Okay. Your turn.
Glasses.
Yeah, white glasses.
I-open mo yung kanan.
Open. Open.
I already did.
Ulit, ulit.
Sarado.
I close it.
Ulit. Ulit.
Did you hear it?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. What's that, a ring? Can you tap it on the wood? One more. Can you tap it with the diamond?
Ano, ano, ano?
May diamond yan. May diamond.
Diamond.
Tatap ko yung diamond.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
If that's a ring. Did you?
Wait lang. Lang.
One more. Okay.
Ulit, ulit. Oh.
It's plastic.
Plastic. I don't know.
Okay. Your turn to ask.
Glasses. Itap mo siya sa wood. Yes.
Tap it.
Ulit. Yung parang hulog siya.
Ulog.
Hulog.
Where? The wood or the rum?
Wood.
It's gonna break.
Okay lang.
Are you sure?
Uy, gawin mo yan.
Ulit.
One more?
Yes.
Okay.
Ulit.
That's not enough.
Ulit.
What do you want?
Ulit.
Can you say higher or not high? So I
Ikaw bahala kung lakasan mo. Or ikaw bahala. Basta itap mo.
It's gonna break.
Okay na. Okay. Ikaw na.
Okay. If that's a ring,
Ito.
can you put in your finger?
Okay.
I wanna hear it.
Para maririnig.
Put the mic on.
Para ako maririnig.
Just put in your finger.
Oh. Lang. Okay na?
Okay. Your turn to ask.
Ano yan, di ba? Ano yan?
It's white glasses.
Hirap. Pwede i-roll mo siya.
What?
Roll.
Roll?
Yes.
Okay.
Ulit, ulit. Ulit.
Did you hear it?
Ulit. Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw na.
If that's a ring, can you tap it again with the wood? Make it harder.
Diamond.
Yes.
Okay, alam ko.
What? Again. Okay. Your turn to ask. One more. Last question.
Last ito.
Last na tanong.
Kidnap mo nga siya ulit.
It's gonna break, no?
Ang malakas.
Masisira.
Okay lang. Perfume din. Ulit? Ano lang? May na lang.
Is that kind of look to you?
Okay. Game?
Wait lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ikaw, wait lang.
Ano kayo?
Ikaw first.
I think he's lying.
I think you're lying. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, talo si...
So, si Bim yung panalo, guys. Siya yung champion. Siya po yung talo. So, dito nagtatapos ang ating vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe,
Like and share.
and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin. Bye!